Hi guys, time for a quick warm up. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 9 is 90. 11 times 9 is 99. 12 times 9 is 108.
Hi guys, welcome back to Anea's Finances. I'm Anea, I'm 9 years old, and today our new topic is addition. To teach you more about addition, I'm going to bake a cake. But we need to go to the shops to get ingredients. Let's go. My budget is £30. I need to get self-raising flour, raspberry jam, eggs, caster sugar, unsalted butter, and icing sugar. Let's go. So guys, I've got everything. The unsalted butter costs £1.50. The self-raising flour costs £1.55. The caster sugar costs £1.60. The raspberry jam costs 80p. The eggs cost £2. The icing sugar costs £1.50. I spent £8.95. The budget was £30. So I didn't go over my budget. So what do I have left from my budget? My budget is £30. And what I spent in the shop is £8.95. So £30 take away £8.95 is £21.05. That's what I have left from my budget. I think I'm going to save that. Now let's go home to bake. Hi guys, I'm back home and we're about to start baking. But before we start baking, just reminding you, before you start baking, you need to wash your hands. I've washed my hands. To remind you of the ingredients, here we go. We've got 4 eggs. I've got them already. 225 grams of caster sugar, which I've weighed on my scale. 225 grams of self-raising flour, which I weighed already. Raspberry jam, right here. 225 grams of butter. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And whipped cream. Whipped cream is optional. Let's start baking. You need to grease your tins with a little bit of oil. And then you can pour your mixture into your tins. Make sure you spread it out. You might not always have enough. Completed! Now let's put these into the oven. Now we're going to clean up. Always remember, when you put your cake in the oven, to be supervised by an adult. My cake is going to take 30 minutes to bake. So now I'm going to take a break. Now my cake is baked. I left it to cool and then I added some raspberry jam and whipped cream. Now let's see how this tastes together. This tastes delicious. Now let's recap how much we spent.